Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing this front bumper and this magnet mounting system onto our SCX24 Chevy Blazer. Cha-cha-cha-cha. And this should be interesting because I've never done this before. Well, we got the front brush guard on and it looks pretty good. The magnet mounts we didn't go with, they were garbage. They didn't have any clear directions on how to put them in, and despite my best efforts, they were really garbage. So I'll put a link in the description box on Amazon so you can stay away from it, or you can try them yourself. I couldn't get them to work. I'm sure with some modifications I can get them to work, but just out of the package they didn't work very well. So thanks for watching.